Gun license issued in 2015 to slain businessman Robert Fletcher raises concerns.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, the recovery by the police of 2 licensed firearms, which belong to businessman Robert Fletcher, is raising eyebrows in some law enforcement circles. Fletcher was robbed and killed by thugs at his sports bar on Old Hope Road on Tuesday, the 11th of May. His licensed Glock pistol was also taken from him by the gunmen. 2 of the men were killed by the police along Trafalgar Road shortly after they murdered Mr. Fletcher. The businessman's licensed handgun was recovered by the police. A day after Fletcher's murder, on Wednesday the 12th of May, police detectives retrieved a licensed shotgun from a premises which was occupied by Mr. Fletcher. However, those turn of events are raising concerns in some law enforcement circles about how Fletcher was able to come into possession of 2 gun licenses. In 2015, despite him being a criminal convict, the businessman was issued with 2 firearm licenses by the FLA board, which was appointed by the then Simpson Miller administration. A few years prior to him being issued with a gun license, Fletcher was convicted in Jamaica of forgery and uttering forged documents. Fletcher was also reportedly deported to Jamaica from the United States in connection with alleged illegal entry. According to Nationwide, in 2015, 2 former senior executives of the FLA management team had objected to Mr. Fletcher being issued with a gun license. The objections were based on community and background checks, which suggested that Fletcher was of questionable character and did not fit to be granted a gun license. However, the then FLA Board of Directors reportedly disregarded the objections and issued the gun license to Mr. Fletcher.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!